3 класс, английский язык. Домашнее задание. Страница 60-61. English. Spotlight 3. Homework page. Number 60-61. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. It's getting late. It's getting late. It's getting late. And I really hate to say goodbye. Please don't go. It's getting late. Please don't go. It's getting late. Please don't go. I got to go home. Please don't go. It's getting late. And I really hate to say goodbye. But I've got to go home. Oh no, please don't go. My dear friends, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 60. Exercise number 1. Put the words on the right train. Tea set, egg, animal, pencil, ruler, umbrella, rocking horse, orange. Посадите слова на соответствующий поезд. The answer. A. Tea set, pencil, ruler, rocking horse. N. Egg, animal, umbrella, orange. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Look and say, then complete. This is a doll. That is an elephant. Посмотри и расскажи, затем запомни. This is a tea set. That is an apple. This is a train. That is a ball. This is a ruler. That is an egg. This is a pencil case. That is a banana. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 61. Exercise number 3. Listen and repeat. Rose, close your book and go home. Bo, put the dog and the frog into the toy box. Послушайте и переведите. Rose, close your book and go home. Bob, put the dog and the frog into the toy box. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. Copy the table and complete it. Nose, close, frog, dog, open, hot, box, home, doll, no. Скопируй таблицу и заполни ее. O. Nose, close, open, home, no. O. Frog, dog, hot, box, doll. Boys and girls, do exercise number 5. Let's play. Whose is this? It's Anna's. Давайте поиграем. Whose is this pencil? It's Mom's. Whose is this cup? It's Grandpa's. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.